Welcome to Intelligent Kids channel.
Time to wake up.
Time to wake up.
Did you sleep well?
Did you sleep well?
I'm still sleepy.
I'm still sleepy.
It's a beautiful morning.
It's a beautiful morning.
I woke up late today.
I woke up late today.
What's the time?
What's the time?
I need 5 more minutes.
I need 5 more minutes.
Open the curtains.
Open the curtains.
Let the sunlight in.
Let the sunlight in.
Did the alarm ring?
Did the alarm ring?
I'm feeling lazy today.
I'm feeling lazy today.
I had a strange dream.
I had a strange dream.
Get up now, or you'll be late.
Get up now or you'll be late.
Stretch your body.
Stretch your body.
Take a deep breath.
Take a deep breath.
Smile and start the day.
Smile and start the day.
Let's brush our teeth.
Let's brush our teeth.
Where's my phone?
Where's my phone?
Use mouthwash.
Use mouthwash.
Take a shower.
Take a shower.
The water is too cold.
The water is too cold.
Where's my towel?
Where's my towel?
Comb your hair.
Comb your hair.
Wear clean clothes.
Wear clean clothes.
What should I wear today?
What should I wear today?
I can't find my socks.
I can't find my socks.
I need to iron my shirt.
I need to iron my shirt.
I look fresh.
I look fresh.
Let's get ready quickly.
Let's get ready quickly.
Don't be late.
Don't be late.
Wash your face properly.
Wash your face properly.
Use your skincare products.
Use your skincare products.
Wear your watch.
Wear your watch.
Pack your bag.
Pack your bag.
I'm really hungry.
I'm really hungry.
What's for breakfast?
What's for breakfast?
Let's eat something healthy.
Let's eat something healthy.
I want eggs and toast.
I want eggs and toast.
Can I have some juice?
Can I have some juice?
This smells delicious.
This smells delicious.
I love pancakes.
I love pancakes.
I need my morning tea.
I need my morning tea.
Coffee is ready.
Coffee is ready.
Let's sit and eat together.
Let's sit and eat together.
Eat slowly.
Eat slowly.
This is tasty.
This is tasty.
Want some more?
Want some more?
I'm full now.
I'm full now.
Put your plate in the sink.
Put your plate in the sink.
Clear the table.
Clear the table.
Time to clean up.
Time to clean up.
Are you ready to go?
Are you ready to go?
Let's not be late.
Let's not be late.
I need to pack my lunch.
I need to pack my lunch.
Where's my wallet?
Where's my wallet?
Check the weather.
Check the weather.
Take an umbrella.
Take an umbrella.
It looks like it will rain.
It looks like it will rain.
Wear your shoes.
Wear your shoes.
Tie your laces.
Tie your laces.
Put on your jacket.
Put on your jacket.
Lock the door.
Lock the door.
Wait for me.
Wait for me.
Hurry up.
Hurry up.
Don't forget anything.
Don't forget anything.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
I'm ready now.
I'm ready now.
Today is a new day.
Today is a new day.
Let's do our best.
Let's do our best.
Stay positive.
Stay positive.
I believe in myself.
I believe in myself.
Smile. It's free.
Smile, it's free.
Be kind today.
Be kind today.
Let's make today great.
Let's make today great.
Let's spread happiness.
Let's spread happiness.
I am strong and capable.
I am strong and capable.
Drink more water.
Drink more water.
Stay calm and relaxed.
Stay calm and relaxed.
I will finish my tasks.
I will finish my tasks.
I'm ready for the day.
I'm ready for the day.
Let's do this.
Let's do this.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Intelligent Kids channel. Don't forget to like and share the video.